Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free coins from the Truffula Tree in the Super Forest game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I've already planted this Truffula Tree and we will be able to collect the yellow orbs like this, and then it will give us the coins. Wait, let me collect the yellow orbs. As you can see that my coins is increased. So this plant can give you coins for free guys. I would like to recommend you to plant this Truffula tree in your forest. Okay, and if you want to get the seed, just go to the shop. You can click on the buy menu and open the nurseries shop. Okay, and you will need 100 coins to buy the Truffula tree seed. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my forest and claim it so we can get rich faster with this Truffula tree. Okay guys, and that's how you can get free coins from the Truffula tree in the Super Forest game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!